going on, man? King Richez here, back again. Yeah, back in the gym, obviously, like that's anything new. Anyway, listen, we're about to do a challenge, yeah, and I'm back with the mystery camera woman. Say hello again.
Hello.
Yeah, she's back again, and basically, I've made her do her workout, and how was it?
Difficult.
Difficult.
It was hard.
Listen, I ain't a sick trainer.
You are very good.
I keep telling everyone that, listen, if you really want to get gains, lose that extraness or gain some, holler at me, innit? But anyway, cool. It's my turn to do the workout, and I'm doing a challenge of 100 push-ups and 50 burpees in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, yeah? I don't know if I can do this. I've never done it before, but I'm pretty confident in my skills. What do you think?
I reckon you're going to get it done. You're going to smash it.
Smash it, innit? But I don't even want to sound too cocky like I know, because I don't know for sure. But obviously, you lot pray for me, innit? So I've got the timer here. I'm going to put the timer on the screen, innit? Yeah, so I'm going to do it right here. What should I do? Burpees or push-ups first? What do you think?
I reckon burpees. Get the blood pumping, yeah.
Because the push-ups I can just
smash through. Absolutely.
Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Alright. But yeah, let me turn it on.
Light work.
That's 20.
Easy, easy.
I've got time, let me. I am burning. So that's 20.
What are you on?
30. Oh my god. I'm not even at 2 minutes yet.
You just made me do 50.
I made you do 40. And there was no time either. 20 more to go. I've got time.
How long's on the clock?
It's 2 minutes. I've got 8 minutes to go. Let me take a rest. Or 10 more. I'm feeling like you now.
Now you know how I feel.
Yeah. My legs are burning. Oh my god. My legs and the thighs are killing me. My shoulders, my chest is on fire.
You were going to do 40 and then you upped it to 50.
Huh?
You were going to do 40 and then you upped it to 50.
I know. I know.
How are you feeling?
Terrible. 100 push-ups. Oh, jeez. My shoulders are gone as well. I'm at 4 minutes 30.
Halfway.
Oh, jeez.
Just 90 more to go.
Oh, thanks. I'm dying. But can I do it?
How you feeling?
Got snot coming out my nose.
It's the government requirement that everyone wears a face covering in communal indoor areas, and that includes this gym. You must wear a face covering at all times unless you're exercising in between sets. That's simple. Let's stay safe and stay open.
Oh, there's 16 more to go.
Are you gonna do it?
I don't know. More.
Halfway.
Just under 3 minutes. Oh my god, man. I think I should have practiced this before I tried it on camera. I'm not going to delete it though. I'm going to share it.
No, you're on your own. many?
I've got 15.
Come on, a minute. Let's go. 2, 4, 10 more, come on.
I'm thinking I've got 10 more. If I'm wrong, I apologise, yeah? But I can't think straight. Bro, I'm dying, mate. 9:47. I am dying. I feel like a snot hanging out my nose. If I'm 10 off, I apologise. I think my body was telling me I had 10 less. I'm not sure.
I reckon you did alright.
Alright, yeah?
You smashed it.
I'm ready for bed. I'm going home. I'm going home. And plus, I never ate yesterday. I never had no food yesterday. Fasting. But anyway, yeah? Anything you want to say to the people?
I think you should do it again tomorrow.
Negative. Do you know what? All I'm going to say is follow me on Instagram. Yeah? You see all my workouts on Instagram and all that. Make sure you're watching and liking all my fitness videos. If you want me to be your personal trainer, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. I can still be your personal trainer online and that. So hit me up. Instagram, my email's there. And all that good stuff. I'm tired, as you can tell, I'm tired. I'm ready for bed. I think I'm gonna go and eat McDonald's. Nah. Anyway, with that being said, I'm out. Camera lady's out. And that's it, we're gone. Ambitions of power, you know what it is. Go to the website, get some of the gear as well. Out.